Action. I am not Jeremy Clarkson, people. For I just gave the BMW. I'm worried he's gonna bump the back in such a small lap, baby. The aim, 10-minute lap around the Nürburgring. Just started the car. We are rolling in the BMW E92, baby. First gear. Woo! Let's rock and roll. All right. Woo! This car sounds absolutely amazing, I must say. Okay, we are on the Nürburgring North Loop. Tourist day. 13.6 miles we got to cover in our BMW M3 in a beautiful blue color. Ooh-wee. I need some WD-40 for my brake pedal. We only got a brake pedal and the throttle for the E92 M3 because we are rocking flappy paddle gearbox. Early downshifts at the moment as I'm getting used to the car. Never ever drove this car before. I'm not sure if it's a balanced M3 or a twitchy M3, so we are gonna find out today, most definitely. Coming off the power as we go. Right, let me shut up and concentrate on this very slightly tricky turn, as if you get it wrong, you are going over into the wall. Anyway, this is beautiful. Back on the power. Let's hit full power, full throttle. Not letting off. And then hitting this apex. Come on, baby. Long sweeping left as we come through. Hard on the brakes, hard on the brakes. I went up to 100% on the brakes, then locked up the brakes a little bit. Just noticed some traffic up ahead. Whether we are fast enough to catch up to the traffic, I am not sure, but main aim is 10 minutes around the Nürburgring, Nordschleife or Nordschleife. Which way do you say? I am not German, as you can tell. Well, actually I could be German. Just anyway, we are not here for that. We are here for the motorsport we call I don't know, what do we call it? Anyway, that turn there threw me off a little bit. Back to the action. I am not Jeremy Clarkson, people. I am not great at commentating as we drive, but I do have a couple things to talk about, especially with the E92 around the Nürburgring lap. I'm a big fan of the BMW 1M, which I believe is maybe, should I say this, a slightly better car, even though it's smaller. And we're coming up to a 1M in black to our front right. See if we can get a closer look. That thing is flying. That was a bit difficult through there. I hit the curb a bit much. I'm gonna upshift, stop the car revving so much, calm it down through here, just follow through in a single file, hard on the brakes. I do not want to tap this guy who is so hard on his brakes. We could have gone through faster through here. I'll try and overtake on the right. That made me go on the grass, really trying to give him space. Anyway, the Z4 is kind of in my way at the moment. I'm trying to catch up with the 1M in front because I want to talk about the 340 brake horsepower they put in such a small, short wheelbase frame. If you have not seen my video, what? This M3 sounded insane through there. Absolutely insanity when you got the echo of close walls like that. I know I'm babbling a lot, but it's my first time driving an M3. I'm quite excited, not upshifting at the right time. I don't want to bump into the back of the Z4, so I'm trying. Someone up ahead is a little problem up here, so everyone is slowing down my lap a little bit. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a 10-minute lap with everyone in my way like so. So I'm gonna go past the Z4. Now we're behind the 1M. I'm actually slowing down. I've knocked my with a little side shimmy swipe. There is no insurance on this vehicle while I'm on this toll road on the Nürburgring. Did you know that fun fact? The Nürburgring North Loop is a toll road, not an actual racing track. A Russian billionaire owns the racing track. Whoops. A Russian billionaire owns this toll road now. Now, if I was using AI to speak for me, I wouldn't be making such mistakes. It is difficult to talk to you whilst trying to get my 10-minute lap, and let's see if I can get you our time board back on. Whoa, I shouldn't have done that. That was probably the worst thing to do. I nearly just totally messed up that lap. That would have been it was a bit bouncy through there. It actually threw me off on the exit. We are 6 minutes 48 in, and I am nervous about this 10-minute lap. It's gonna be a tight one. I've been slowed down by traffic before. I think we could have gone a bit faster before the beginning of the track. If I can pick up the speed as we come through, let's see if we can catch up to these guys. Let me concentrate for literally 30 seconds and let's see what we can do here. Fast on the exit and coming in on the inside, trying to stay on the curb. Fast on the exit, not allowing the car to drift on me. I don't want the back end to kick out, and I'm worried of bumping into one of these guys, to be honest. Overtaking on a Nürburgring is quite difficult. This is one reason why Formula One, you see now, I was trying to avoid him and I ended up, come on, I got it. This guy's right next to me. Please don't bump me. I'm worried he's gonna bump the back of my car. Right, he didn't do the pit maneuver on us. That would have been the end of our 10-minute lap. This guy is slowing me right down as we hit the apex. I'm gonna be right on his back bumper, going to his right as I try and come through, letting him through because I gear down. To be honest, people, traffic here is messing me right up. But it is difficult booking Nürburgring on a day when we've got a clear track, people. It is currently 31 euros to go on the Nürburgring lap, which is about 25 British pounds, which is about 31 US dollars. I think it's totally worth it. I just gave the BMW 1M a little nudge. He is struggling a little bit up front. We got something on it. Oh, that thing sounds absolutely gorgeous. What is that? Let's let that pass and see what on earth is that. Another beautiful BMW. Right, let's see if I can catch up to the... So I want to come in here on the inside as we hit the apex turn. Stay on the inside. Car's a bit bouncy as we come through here, but I have this as we hit the final turn on the Nürburgring. We are 9 minutes 39, people. 9 minutes 42 as well, doing our first ever 10-minute lap in our first drive of the BMW M3 E92. We are gonna be doing, people, a 10-minute lap. How about this one? 10 minutes, gear 7, it's paddle shift, gearbox is amazing. no clutch time. This allowed me to, oh lord, oh lord, oh lord, oh lord, 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 oh